How to fix no internet connection available in Windows 8.1. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix no internet connection available in Windows 8.1. For this, you want to search for Device Manager in the search bar. Once it has been opened, click on Network Adapters. Now you want to right click on your device and then click on Update Driver option. Now, you want to search automatically for updated driver software. Now, if it doesn't work even after doing that, then the next thing you can do is simply uninstall the device. When you restart your computer, it should automatically reinstall the drivers and then your issue can be fixed. However, if your problem is still not fixed, in the search bar type command prompt, right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Now, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and press enter. Once that is completed, next thing you want to type is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Once it has been reset, you want to restart your computer and then check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.